Hello friends, back with another video. The Samsung Galaxy Watch 44mm or 40mm has an option to check blood pressure and ECG. But in India, due to regulatory issues, it is disabled. But you can manually install this through your phone and to the watch and use it. There are many videos in YouTube which show different methodology, how to install the app and use it in the phone as well as the watch. I've watched a lot of videos and I've tried out different methods prescribed by them, and finally I have understood which is the easiest method, and with the least downloads required and the easiest app to actually install it. So let's go and find out what are the requirements. You need to download 2 APKs, and for that I'll just show you what are the APKs you would need. So as you can see, there is a phone SHM mode APK to be installed on the phone, which you can download from gadgetsninja.com. I will leave the link in the description, and this is for the phone. You need to download this, and there is another one which is for the watch. This is for the watch, and this is the Galaxy Watch modded SHM APK, and this is they've got two download options: download ADB fast boot for PC, download watch SHM. You need to download the watch SHM. This is 13 MB. The first one which I showed you was 80 MB. So you need to download it first, and then you need to download an app. This is the app which you require, easyfire tools. This you can download from the Google Play Store. After installing this, you need to get back to the watch. Okay, now in the Samsung Galaxy Watch, you need to go to settings, and here you can see developer options is on. And how to turn it on and off, I'll just show you. So you go to about watch, and then you go to software info, and then software version. You can tap 1 2 3 4 5, and now I'll show you the developer version. Developer option is gone. See, just about watch. Now to turn it on, you need to go back again, and you need to go to software info, tap 5 times. Now developer mode turned on. As you can see developer options turned on. And now go to developer options, and you can see ADB debugging is on, and debug over Wi-Fi has to be turned on. When you turn on debug over Wi-Fi, there will be a Wi-Fi address which will be here, which is 192.168.1.40, and this you need to note it down. And then you need to go to easyfire tools. You need to launch the app. When you go to easyfire app, first thing you would see is I'll just launch it one more time. This is what you see, custom APK file, install apps. This app would help you install APKs as well as transmit it to your watch through Wi-Fi. So before starting, you need to just go to settings, and in settings you need to go to IP address, and I've typed what the address I found on the debug option in the watch, which is 192.168.1.40. okay, now you need to go back again, and then see the green plugin. Now it's I've turned the connection off. I'll turn it on one more time to show you how it's getting connected. Okay, trying to connect, it shows no debugging possible, which is showing, sometimes errors might happen. One more time, it's going to, again it's showing error. Let me see. Now it's showing yes. You need to turn okay, and I need to say continue. Now it is connected. Once this is connected, you need to go to custom APK file, select file. You can see watch SHM mode 1.1.022 and phone wear OS. This watch SHM, you need to install it over this app, and the app will transfer this app to the watch. And the phone Wear OS, you don't need to do it with the app. You can go back after installing the first one or the app to the watch. You can install the other one, like go to downloads, and you can install this phone Wear OS right here. And Samsung Health Monitor app will be installed in both the phone. See, you can see Samsung Health Monitor app is in the phone. Okay, now it's in the phone. You can see blood pressure, ECG. I've installed this, and this also will be installed in the app session. See, it is as simple. Now if you click this, you can see blood pressure and ECG right here. So now the app is installed, and you can easily check blood pressure and ECG on the watch and in the app on the phone. This will not give you the accurate results which proper blood pressure machine or a doctor or in a clinic which would give you, but still it helps. The ECG also not precise, maybe like in hospitals or clinics or test centers, but still it's an add-on, it's an option, and everybody should try this, because sometimes when you really require it in a jiffy and you don't have time to go, you can just check your pressure and be happy with the results, or if it's more, you can just go to the hospital or take some medicine. So that's the benefit of having this app in the watch, and this is the easiest methodology. 2 links downloaded, APKs downloaded, 1 app downloaded through Play Store. I will leave the link in the description. And friends, I hope that this is the easiest methods to install this app in the phone and in the watch, Galaxy 4 or Watch 4. Hope you liked my video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.